Okay, hello there, family friends and viewers from across the world. Joey Jones is back on the road. Well, first and foremost, let me congratulate all the ones that passed and obtained their CDL license, all the ones that are driving by themselves, all the ones that are driving with the mentors, over the road daily, dedicated, home daily. Yeah, baby. That's right. That's right. And let me say that I didn't forget about none of my viewers, none of my subscribers. You know, I've been here. It's just that we've been busy, man. I've been busy, you know. It's like when the company says, well, we're busy, who wants the overtime? Right here, right here. Yes, I'm a little tired. You know, it's a blessing. But yes, I mean, it's a blessing. We've been busy. I've been kicking it in. I've been doing my loads. I've been doing, you know, all my deliveries on time, you know. And wow, you know. And right now, just taking a little break. And because it's break time, you know, we got to stop this truck for 30 minutes. You know, but I've been here, you know, and a lot of people say, yo, Joey Jones, what happened? You know, no more videos. I said, yeah, I mean, it's not that I don't want to. It's that, you know, when it's busy, it's busy, you know. But yeah, I've been answering all the emails. I've been answering all the messages. And I've been, you know, answering back. You know, I haven't forgot about none of my viewers. I'm here. Joey Jones is here. Joey Jones ain't going nowhere. You know, and let me tell you something. A lot of people are still, you know, listen. A lot of people are still studying. Yes, that's a good idea. Keep studying the books, because when it's time to go, you're going to be, you know, you're going to just be ready to go. Because I don't think you're going to go right now. You know, there's no way in the world with this virus going on, with this coronavirus, and so much going on over here. I don't think it's the perfect time to go to the school, because they're going to try to put you in a hotel with the rest of these students. No. It's not. It's not the perfect time to go to school. So all that I can recommend for you to do is study. Study, watch videos. That's how I did it. I took notes. I took videos, you know, notes, and I recorded videos. And I kept, you know, watching videos, how I did pre-trip. I did a pre-trip too video. You should see it on my channel. And that's what I did. That's what I did. I did a lot of, actually, I did a lot of videos, you know, since day one. You know, a lot of people see me since day one. A lot of people have been with me, you know, watching my channels, you know. But yeah, I mean, no, it's not the perfect time to go now. So just stay home, study home. And listen, there's a lot of people that are getting laid off. A lot of people that are just getting laid off because the coronavirus, you know. A lot of people getting it, you know. It's just insane how just from out of nowhere, just blew up out of nowhere from China. It's already here. It's everywhere now. You know, just like that little insect, the spotted lanternfly, that we all truckers have to wear use the plaque, which is the permit. We have to use the spotted lanternfly permit. Yeah, it's insane. Let me see if I can, you know. Right there. Yeah, every trucker has to have that, you know. And why we have that? Because what it is that insect, you know, it'll just cruise with you. It'll go on your trailer. It'll just right there, hang on to your trailer. And then that's why they want us to inspect the trailers, make sure none of the stuff is under the truck or nothing, you know, because they don't want us to travel it. Like, say if I got a couple of them bugs on my trailer, and I go to somewhere in New York and drop off the load, I just drop off 3 of them spotted lanternflies, and they multiply fast. So then from the spotted lanternfly to the virus, but the virus is deadly, man. It's killing a lot of people and kids too. It's insane how how the world we live in just boom, you know. They canceling out traveling, you know. We can't even get out the trucks anymore. You know, when we go to the customers, they want you to stay in the truck. You know, they want you to sign the paperwork, boom, boom, get in the truck. I've been washing my hands, baby wipes, and boom, hand sanitizer. That's all I've been doing, man. Cleaning after myself all the time, because you never know, man. Yeah, so then I want to say to all of students, study hard and be ready, because once this disease goes away, man, hopefully it goes away anytime soon, man, because it's crazy. Yeah, a lot of people losing their jobs. A lot of people, they're getting laid off because they don't want, nobody's trying to get sick. And then all I keep hearing is that there's no cure yet. They're still trying to figure out how to get this cure, you know, how to get the cure. wow, it just, man. So my peoples, be careful. You know, I love you all. God bless you all. Any comments, I'm here. I don't stop. You know, every comment, every email, I've been replying. You know, and again, you know, I'm a little tired because I've been kicking it in. We've been busy, you know, because you never know what's going to happen. So you got to take advantage of the overtime. You know what I'm saying? So I love you all. God bless you all. Good luck to you. You can do it, man. You can do it. Get these heads. You know, right now, this body doesn't like to do anything. Put this body in the gym and watch you're going to do a couple dumbbell curls and that's it. You're going to quit. You know, same thing with studying. You know, this body don't like to study. Make this body do it and watch you see that you're going to study and get it in your head. Because I was on vacation time when I was at the beach house and boom, I read the books. My wife used to be like, what are you doing? I'm studying, man. I need to get this in. I need to get the CDL in. And boom, here I am. I'm right here. And I know there's a lot of people that follow me since day one. You know, so I love y'all. God bless y'all. I'll catch you in my next video, man. All right, my peoples, later.